Good afternoon, Steve.
Hey mate, how are you? Okay.
Yeah, I'm all good. So, we've seen on this channel that you do 30 questions with a load of guests. So today we thought that we'd do one with you.
Okay.
So, first question we have is, how are you?
I'm great. I'm always great.
The studio looks a bit different today. Where are you?
I am in Ireland because we are potentially buying a property here.
There's a little rumour that you don't like flying. How did you find the flight today?
I absolutely hated every second of it. My stomach was turning, I was nervous, I didn't sleep last night. Not a good flyer at all.
What are you doing for the rest of the day?
I am going to the gym after we've shot this, going swimming. Then we are going to Nando's and we're going to watch the game in a bar where Dune is taking us.
How do you handle any stress or pressure?
I keep it all to myself and I deal with it accordingly, and I delegate to the people that need to help me relieve it.
What's your biggest strength?
My imagination.
What's your biggest weakness?
I'm a perfectionist. I have to get everything done to the best it can be, which sometimes you do have to let things slide. So yeah, being a perfectionist is not great.
What is the biggest learning experience you've had so far?
Not to rush and not to take anything on face value.
We all know that you love chocolate. What is your favourite chocolate bar?
Anything to do with chocolate orange, Cadbury's, the Twirl, Terry chocolate orange. I love a Twix, but it has to be a king size Twix. Can't be a small one. They taste different.
Speaking of food, what is your favourite food?
I'm a real homebody, so anything to do with mashed potato, gravy, chicken and mash, beef and mash, lamb and mash, pies. I love pie and mash. So yeah, I'm a real old school kind of food.
What is one thing people don't know about you?
I am someone who needs to be alone to think. Even though I'm surrounded by so many people and I have my Isabella all the time, I need that 10 minutes of my own space to think things through.
Who or what is your biggest inspiration?
I take a lot of inspiration from Isabella because she's seriously one of the hardest workers I've ever met. But if it's somebody that you all know out there, it's definitely Elon Musk because he's trying to change the world.
What is the favourite thing that you currently own?
My yellow Trotters Independent Trader Reliant Regal Supervan 3. It's my prized possession.
What has been your favourite property project so far?
I bought a property in Wolverhampton about 5 years ago and I made about £125,000 on it. Very difficult to do in today's market as well.
What is your favourite TPC moment?
The networking events, and believe it or not, it wasn't the second one that we've just recently done, it was the first one. And actually seeing how many people was in the room and how the stage taught networking event was received by so many people. So that was a very, very, very proud moment.
TPC means a lot to you. You share the ins and the outs of what you do on the weekly. What does the weekly mean to you?
The weekly is really important to me because it shows people I actually practice what I preach, and there's not many people in property that can go 6 days a week because Sundays you're obviously not with us, Phil. So how many people in the property sector can actually show 6 days a week where they're doing what we do?
What are the main three things that motivate you?
Legacy, achieving my dreams, which I think are going to be very hard to do because I don't think I can achieve my dreams while I'm alive. Quite sad really. And failure. I don't like waking up in the morning thinking I'm going to go back to where I came from. So that's the three things.
What is one thing you wish you could do which you haven't been able to do yet?
Achieve my dreams. I don't think I will be able to achieve them while I'm alive, because what I'm trying to create is legacy. So it's never going to come to fruition while I'm still here.
What is your favourite conspiracy theory?
Duna is going to love this because I have so many. Area 51 obviously is a very big one. The Liverpool FC players with the asthma, that is a huge one. What is it? Is it like 72% of the first team have got asthma, and the drug that they take was banned in the Olympics or something? That was a crazy one. So yeah, I do have a lot of conspiracy theory. I don't think they're conspiracy theories, I think they're true. So,
What is the best present anyone has ever given to you?
my yellow Trotters Independent Traders van. Isabella bought it me, and it's my prized possession.
What's a quote that you live by every single day?
Be nice, be kind, and dream big, because without these three things, I don't believe you'll get anywhere in life.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
To fly, because I'm scared of heights. So if I had the superpower to fly, it would probably get me over my fear of flying, and I'd be able to travel more.
What would your superhero name be?
Super Ste. Basic, I know, but yes.
What is one talent you wish you had or could have?
What talent I wish I could have? To not be so giving, and to not let people in and let them take advantage.
Give me one purchase you regret buying.
Ooh. One purchase I regret buying. Fish tanks. I have bought so many fish tanks in my life, and what a waste of money. If I total up how much money I've wasted on fish tanks, I could probably buy a house.
What is the biggest mistake in property so far?
I bought a house, renovated it, patched it up, didn't fix the roof, didn't fix the damp issues, and it caused me so many issues afterwards. I practically did this house twice.
And our final question in this video, what do you want to achieve this year?
Happiness. I would like to be able to wake up in the morning and not have to worry about anything at all, and just have my breakfast with a clear mind and smile. I smile all the time, but yeah, I have a lot on my plate.
Thank you very much, Steve. That's stated questions over and out.